share my whole heart with you. I surrender to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter.
You didn't tell me.
The door will lift pretty.
Oh, Jesus.